We are a Japanese company. We are 140 years old. We started with a face soap back in the days, and now we have a variety of products: Ghoul, John Frieda, Molton Brown, KMS, Goldwell. We also have a bit of cosmetics, and in Asia we also have a lot of households like cleaning, diapers. So we do a variety of products. My name is Lars Bille Jørgensen. I am Director of Digital Transformation Office and Business Services. I manage all the project management within finance. We're also looking at processes, technology, and then we try to bring it all together to improve and make everything easier for us and for the business itself. Creating a shared service center from scratch created a lot of challenges. We had to move from the countries very local to here, so we had to had a whole new team on board. Because we came from a decentralized and a very manual world, we also had to establish processes. We also had to establish systems, implement systems, because everything was paper-based in the past. And we had to take the best of the best from all the countries. With very different sectors, with different way of working, we had to merge it all together. The partnership with SeaTac has been really good. We've been working with Roy most of the time since we started the training, development, and also the follow-up. And it's been very easy. It's been very, almost feel like a colleague and not an external partnership.
KAO was facing unstructured, unstandardized processes. In their need to actually improve these, they reached out to SeaTac to investigate on potential tooling. Now, SeaTac offered KAO Automate Evolve, which is an additional tool for Automate Studio, which allows them to build workflows and forms to enhance their processes.
Well, we've been on Studio for quite some years. It served us well, but we were also ready. We were mature enough from a shared service center, and we had to go to the next level. And Evolve was really the answer to that. We could have a workflow what we didn't have. We could have a much better governance. Very easily we got up and running. We kicked off the year with a training. So we had very intensive but very efficient training days. We did it online because we also had our American colleagues joining. And it was very clearly defined in the training, okay, this is the modules, this is the step. And after the 4 weeks of training, we were pretty much ready to go.
We initially started with providing a training to the KAO developers, after which that we set up the first form, the first process. And after that we set up that first process, KAO is able to actually continue themselves on development.
Even though that we brought in more governance, more controls, and you had to follow a process, that was actually exactly what we needed. So we have the clarity, we know exactly where is the task pending, with whom, and is it successful, yes or no. An additional benefit what we have is we can also generate KPIs now. So we actually know how much is going through. So we can monitor the volume, we can also start analyzing the volume and making sure that we can keep improving the processes. It's actually been the easiest tool I've implemented in past years. We suddenly could have more structured data by having in an Excel sheet, so you could fill in all the details. You can then very quickly, very efficiently have a lot of transactions going through, compared to the past where we had to do it one by one and directly in SAP. Now we could actually improve the experience for the user. We could also improve quality and we could have the much quicker turnaround time, so the internal customer experience also increased significantly.